Okay, so this exercise is using a pattern feature around some space circles. So I'm going to zoom in. So we've got two circles first off, R20 and R40. So they've got to go in first. So circle tool CI 0, 0, radius of 20, same again, 0, 0, radius of 40. Next thing we need to do is drop this line down from the centre down 90. So I'm going to draw an X line from the centre and then offset that line 90. Okay, and you'll notice at the bottom of that 90 line is then this rad here, which has been labelled as R10. So we're going to draw an offset now back up of 10. Like so, and then we have 5 off of that one. Distance between the holes then is 25, and we have another 5. So the last thing I'm going to do is just put X line in hole vertically, just so I can keep everything nice and straightforward. So the last circle, that one's going to be 10. That one's going to be 5. That one's also going to be 5. So quite a few circles. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change all these now to my drawing layer. And I'm going to draw my drawing layer, so I'm going to keep messing around. So you'll notice that now these lines just come off, and there's little fillets. That's what we have to do. So what I'm going to do first is just line up the slot. I'm going to turn my tangent on, so on my snap make sure tangent's on. I'm going to run a line from my quadrant up to the tangent which is there, and same again on the other side, like so. And now I'm going to come in and just sort of do some trim. Like so. Now I'm going to come in and just move that line tangentially, and move that line tangentially as well. Come in and trim that out again. Okay, and that's the first line now. Now what we're going to do is use the array, but do a polar array. Okay, just want these guys here. Enter around the centre point. I'm going to change that to 3. So that was then changed between 190, close the array, replicated 3 now, and now I've got to do is put this little fillet in on these edges. So I'm going to click on the pattern, okay, type in explode. This splits the pattern out into individual shapes again, so I can select them, use a fillet tool, R30, and you can come along now and click between. So now I get my nice edges filleted, and that's how you do that shape, which is exercise 5.